Florida's darkest skies, glowing waters beneath you, and stars you can't see anywhere else in the state. Welcome to Beacon 42, a place so untouched the night feels almost unreal. Hi, I'm Patty, BK Adventures content creator. I've been photographing Florida's most magical nights for years, from glowing summer waters to the Milky Way stretching across the sky. And if you love stargazing, this spot is one of the best in Florida. Beacon 42 is part of the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge, a 140,000-acre protected area right next to the Kennedy Space Center. NASA purchased the land in 1962 and a year later partnered with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to protect the habitats and wildlife here. Because it's protected, this area is a true blackout zone. No streetlights, no developments, just natural darkness. That means minimal light pollution and a crystal clear view of the stars. On the clearest of nights, you'll see thousands of stars, constellations, planets, and sometimes even the Milky Way. For astrophotography, it's unbeatable. Here are my tips. Bring a tripod, use a 15 to 20 second exposure, a wide open aperture, and low ISO to capture all that detail. Experiment with your settings. Long exposure photography is all about discovery. And while the stars will steal the show, summer evenings here often come with another bonus: bioluminescence in the Mosquito Lagoon. Every paddle stroke can leave a glowing blue trail in the water, a magical contrast to the starry sky above. If you join one of our Beacon 42 tours, we'll guide you to the best viewing spots and help you make the most of the night. Just remember to dress for success. Wear long sleeves and pants, bring plenty of bug spray, and carry a flashlight for walking in the dark. So whether you're an experienced photographer or someone who just loves a night under the stars, Beacon 42 is worth the trip. And if you capture something amazing, share it with us by tagging BK Adventure. We'd love to see what you find out here under Florida's darkest skies. Until next time.